So for RAMP 2022, which stands for Really Ambitious Mural Project, we're able to work with the lead artist, who's Indy 184.
My name's Indy 184, and I grew up all over New York City. The art comes from other artists, and it's fused in, mixed in with my graffiti outlines. So we're able to collaborate in this realm of digital art.
And we ended up with over 120 artists who are in the final piece, representing over 35 countries.
And it's like a collaborative effort with a bunch of different artists. I think it's pretty cool how they're just bringing the street to the metaverse.
We're focused on collaboration and bringing artists together to collaborate on projects.
What we're excited about the future of Matter in 2023 is we're launching an app. We're collaborating with more artists. We're going to have more monthly drops.
It really feels like we're going to be starting 2023 where we want to be, and really hopefully a prominent force for artists in this space. And that's really the purpose of Matter, is to keep going back to our artist network and having projects for them to get involved in.